I see where it's leaking all that smoke now. That boot, whenever that. I'm gonna see if I can fit my camera down here to see this oil spill. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's a bolt right there that it's covering up, like except for the head of it, and I don't know, bolt's what, about 3/8 tall, that size of bolt. So that's almost a 1/2 inch deep right there, and there's 1, 2, 3, and then another one right there. I think that's coming off the valve cover gasket. I'll have to check it out, but I noticed that looking at this, it's blue is where the gasket's at. See a little piece of blue right there? Yeah, there's a gasket right back on in there. There you go. I believe it's coming from around that valve cover gasket. Okay, so I got my smoke machine set up another way. Now I can't really see it just yet. Man, I can see it dumping right out. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, I can see it now. Man, if I can just get the camera down in there on it. She's just pouring right out. Come on, camera. I can see it, I just can't pick it up with the camera. I can't get the angle on there right. I can see it picking up it. You could, right there. Yep. Right there, just dumping out. Dumping out. Yeah, that's that one I was telling your kid about. I was spraying starting fluid down in there and finding it out there at your house. Yeah, see it just dumping right out of there. Yeah, so gotta take that off, dig down in there just to get to it. Yay. Alright, so the top one there says intake manifold runner stuck closed, and then I got broke by it. System too lean, vacuum leak. So with the broke intake runner control, that's these little butterflies down here. But anyway, this is what's broke, not this switch, but what's back in behind there, that tan piece. It's an actuator, and it's simply telling it that it's not working. However, this is working. I put my scan tool to it earlier, and I could turn it on and off, and I seen the change, and plus I could hear the change. It was working. It's just the sensor saying, just the broken piece isn't connecting on the sensor. Finally got dug down in here. I had to cut that hose off to get it off. But anyway, it's over here, the vacuum leak. I took an earlier video, the smoke leak detector. Here's the little hose. Yeah. So it don't want no more. But yeah, I had to cut it to get it off there, and just from where it wasn't wore quite right. So I'm going to order a couple things. See what I can't figure out. This is some bull hockey, because it looks to me like it's a non-serviceable part. Seeing how that's stamped on there, whenever it's just that lever, saying it's not closed, whenever actually it's doing its thing. Yeah, it works fine, but it keeps setting that check engine light, and it needs to know whenever it's on and closed, on and closed. If it don't get those signals, open when it's supposed to, closed when it's supposed to, it sets that check engine light. So I'm gonna figure out something about that. Maybe I could do some kind of fix to that. I wonder. Almost if this tab was longer. Yeah, if this tab, there we go. If this tab was longer, it could do the work of it. Why didn't they use the metal tab instead of putting a little plastic piece in there to break? Oh man, these guys think of everything, don't they? Criminal engineering. Just like that pipe. You get in there too, but I had to cut it off. But anyway, oil leak. Once again, Down there where that blue is, and that valve cover gasket, that's a replacement gasket. I don't understand why it's leaking. I haven't even checked to see how tight the bolts are. Get on there. Yeah. Bolts seem to be He-Man tight, a little tighter than what they're supposed to be, but they're tight. Look that one up in there. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, so this is what I come up with for the little broken piece of plastic on the intake manifold runner control. You can see the broken plastic right there. This is the switch. So, yeah, I welded that little doohickey on there. That's the fix for that. Just some noted things. Check the oil, the quality and quantity of it's good. Coolant's good, brake fluid's good, power steering fluid is good. There's an exhaust leak back there at that turbo, and it just it's awful. The exhaust leak's not that bad, but to get to it, man. I went around and I put the correct tire pressure, air in there is 50 psi's. This one, however, on this rear driver's side, I remember hearing some wheel bearing noise on the test drive, and I get in here and look, and I can see where the tire is wore really good on the inside. I know that wasn't my job, however, just something noted, like the oil and stuff. What else? All the lights work. Let's see what else. There was something else along with the ABS sensors, I believe. I don't know. I'll figure it out whenever I get there. I'm on my way to go drop this car off.